Hey guys, so in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you can recruit top talent using Facebook. Now, obviously everyone knows that you can recruit on LinkedIn, but I actually do think that Facebook is a pretty cool platform that can be a great tool when it comes to expanding your search. When it comes to recruiting the best talent for your business, it's very, very important that you're not just looking for people that are actively seeking a job. It's also important for you to actually headhunt, meaning actively search and talk to people that have a job, but present new employment opportunities to them. So over at Pair, this is basically what we do. We are very, very strong on this. A lot of our best hires for clients, they actually do already have a job. And the only way we're able to actually find them is to actively message them and see if they are looking or open to a new job. And so if you yourself have a company and you are looking to hire people, then yeah, there are some very good ways to utilize Facebook that not that many people are talking about. And yeah, we'll talk about them in this video. So the first thing you guys do need to have is some type of company page. Make sure you have a profile picture, make sure you have a cover picture, make sure all the information is filled out, and actually populate your feed with some good, valuable posts. The thing that makes a company page look super, super amateurish is basically when they don't have any good posts on their page. So think about who's my target audience and try and create valuable content to them. That's gonna bring in a lot of eyeballs, and then if you mix in posts saying, hey, we are looking to hire for this position, that can be a great strategy. I basically recommend you guys to do is have a professional company page, but when you do outreach, don't actually use that page to message people. Use a personal page. So maybe if there's someone in your company that has Facebook, you can give this responsibility to them where they basically go out, find people, and then message them personally on Facebook using their own personal profile. Of course, within those messages, you'll share the company page so that there is some type of professionalism. But I do find that that is a much better way to do it than to message from the company page. Now, if you don't have your own community yet, there are actually great ways to find groups of people with similar interests or skills on Facebook. And that basically is going to be through Facebook groups. There are tons and tons of great Facebook groups out there. Some of them are going to be public, some of them are going to be private, but even the private ones you can join as well. Those are probably actually going to be a little bit better since the quality of people in those tend to be a bit higher since they did have to apply to join. And yeah, this works extremely well if you are looking for someone that has a particular skill that is sort of niche down. So there's going to be basically a Facebook group for every skill or niche or interest out there. All you have to do is go to Facebook, search, look at the groups, and then have that person on your team actually go in there into those groups, see who's actively posting in them, giving out information, and message them directly. You even might want to create your own Facebook group that's, basically sponsored by your company. That way you basically own the page. You guys can post on there looking for specific talent. And I've seen this work extremely well for some people. But of course, you don't need to do your own group. You guys can just join other groups using those personal profiles and then message people directly on there. Now, the only thing here is that people on Facebook, they don't put their resume, they don't put a ton of information that, LinkedIn normally shows. So that is the only downside of doing this. But trust me, when done right, it can work extremely well. I also recommend you guys sort of use Facebook as LinkedIn. So with LinkedIn, of course, you are making connections with people. You're sending messages to people that you don't really know. On Facebook, you guys can do the same thing. So basically designate someone on your team with a personal profile to basically go out there, look at people in these groups, see who's actively posting relevant stuff on Facebook, and then building connections with them. You actually never know who could end up working for your company. And so the more people that you are connected with on Facebook that have a particular skill, the more likely you are going to be able to find someone to actually join your company. Yeah, don't do this just on Facebook, right? You want to do this on LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, other social media platforms. You guys can get really, really creative with this. And now talking a little bit more about social media for Facebook as a company page, you guys can create reels or posts that basically share valuable information to people who may be good potential hires, right? Like if you're sharing advanced techniques on a particular skill, like let's say video editing, then the people that are actually interacting and liking those posts, they are likely going to be video editors and they may be looking for a job. Basically what I've learned is that the more good content you put out, the more people you guys can get into your hiring funnel, the higher chance that you will find someone that is really perfect for the job. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can use Facebook to help you find talented people for your team. Of course, it does take a lot of work. If you guys don't have the time to do this and you want people that are extremely, extremely talented at finding the top talent, this is a service that we do provide at Paired. We have our local in-house recruiting team. They are always headhunting. And essentially we'll get let's say 500 people into a funnel, send them assessments, interview them, and send the best 2 or 3 to you. It saves you time, it saves you money, and best of all, it really ensures that you guys find the right person for your team. And if you think you might not be able to afford it, and the best thing is that hiring overseas can result in payroll costs that are drastically drastically reduced from domestic ones. So a role that might cost $5,000 per month in the US, it's very likely that that same role would cost, let's say, $600 to $800 overseas. And that, you guys, is the exact talent that we specialize in. So if you are interested in learning more, you guys can check out our website down below, sign up, book a free call with us, see how we can help you. And we basically guarantee that you'll love your person, otherwise we refund your deposit. So there really is no risk to you. Anyways, I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you guys did, make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe for more content just like this. This whole channel is dedicated at helping you guys hire correctly and efficiently. All right, thank you so much for your time, and I'll see you in the next video.